Artificial intelligence is shaping the future, and those who master the right AI skills can create opportunities to grow their career, start businesses, and even become rich. Today I am going to share with you 5 powerful AI skills you must have if you want to build a real wealth in this new era.
The first skill is machine learning and deep learning. These are the brains behind AI systems. From recommendation engines to self-driving cars, companies need people who can train models, analyze data, and solve problems using machine learning and deep learning. Mastering Python, TensorFlow, or PyTorch can put you ahead of millions of others in the job market. The second skill is natural language processing. Chatbots, voice assistants, translation tools, and AI writing systems all depend on natural language processing. If you can train AI to understand and generate human language, you can create products that the whole world wants to use. Businesses will pay huge money for people who can build intelligent systems that communicate like humans. The third skill is AI-powered data analysis. Data is the new gold, but it's useless without people who can make sense of it. Learning how to use AI tools for predictive analytics, business insights, and decision making can make you highly valuable. Companies don't just want raw data, they want someone who can turn it into profits, and that can be you. The fourth skill is AI in automation and robotics. From factories to hospitals, AI-powered automation is replacing repetitive work and saving millions of dollars. If you know how to design, manage, or optimize AI-driven automation, you can either land a high-paying job or build your own AI solutions to sell to businesses. And the fifth skill is generative AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion have shown us how powerful generative AI can be. Whether it's creating content, designing art, coding software, or building digital products, this is one of the fastest ways to turn AI skills into money. Learning how to use and customize generative AI will keep you ahead of the competition. So, if you want to become rich with AI, focus on these 5 skills: machine learning, natural language processing, AI data analysis, automation, and generative AI. The world is changing fast, and those who learn now will lead tomorrow. Start small, build your knowledge, and take action, because the opportunity is already here.
If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and share the video, and subscribe my channel IT with Faisal. See you in the next video.